WhatsApp has now told the Delhi High Court that WhatsApp has temporarily put its privacy policy on hold. This is WhatsApp's response in the High Court that the privacy policy by them has actually now been put on hold. We'll try and get more details, but as far as proceedings coming in from the High Court, WhatsApp had to give a response. WhatsApp, in its response, the Delhi High Court has said this, and they said the privacy policy by WhatsApp has temporarily been put on hold. Anvit is joining us with more details. Anvit, take us through the response of WhatsApp.
Yes, the High Court has told the Delhi High Court that has voluntarily put its privacy policy on hold today. Now the hearing is still underway, and we are yet to see how the councils respond to it. But it was on June 23rd when the Delhi High Court had refused to stay the Competition Commission of India's inquiry against the WhatsApp's new privacy policy. So then it was a vacation bench of Justice Anup Jairam Bambani and Jasmeet Singh that was hearing the appeal by WhatsApp and its parent company Facebook Incorporation against a single bench order declining to interfere in the CCI's investigation. Now the High Court, the WhatsApp has told High Court that it has for now put the policy on hold, and we are yet to see how the government reacts to it and what decision does the court come up with.
Right, of course, Anvit, this is all coming in the backdrop of as far as the standoff as far as the new IT rules are concerned. So WhatsApp now actually voluntarily saying that they will put their privacy policy on hold. Any more details in terms of how long this temporary hold will be? Any more details coming in terms of the timeline?
See, the WhatsApp has not informed the court yet about the timeline. Even though the hearing is still underway, we'll get more details. But the court definitely will ask the WhatsApp till how long will they have for how long have they put the policy on hold. So more details are yet to come in as the hearing further proceeds.
Okay, and with any more details that you're picking up as far as any communication that has happened from the court, you're saying the hearing is still underway, but any more details that you're picking up as far as what the response that we could see in the coming days as well? Okay, we seem to have lost that connection with Anvit, but that's the news that's coming in from the Delhi High Court, where WhatsApp is temporarily now said that we'll voluntarily put a hold on a privacy policy. For how long will that be? That hearing is still on. We'll of course continue to get all those details.